Philippines!
Hi guys, good afternoon. So ngayon guys, look, kita niya na. Ay, ang sobrang init ngayon. Ito yung pinakainit, 90. Like it's 85 already, but it feels like 90 degrees something. And yun, sobrang init. And nag-ano kami ni Tami, nag-widwalk ako. Sobrang init guys, grabe yung katawan ko. At saka alam nyo naman, kapag meron tayo, parang sobrang wala sa mood, sakit yung puson ko, yung katawan ko sobrang init. Nag-take ako ng Aleve guys kasi sobrang sumakit yung puson ko guys. At saka yung katawan ko is parang mag-give up na sa init. At saka gusto kong gusto kong kunin yung machine para ako na lang yung mag-cut muna. Ako sana yung mag-cut ng grass. Kaso, sabi pa ni Tami, I'm gonna cut the grass. Sabi ko, ako na. Ako na. And then, sabi niya, next week, wala ako dito, mga ilang week. So, sabi ko, sige, ikaw mag-cut, ako mag-widwalk. Kasi sa gilid-gilid ba, kailangan kong i-widwalk. Kasi, hindi makuha ng machine ba, yung machine, hindi niya pwedeng makuha yung mga nasa malapit sa fence, malapit sa kahoy, malapit sa mga garden ko. Hindi makuha ng machine kasi sobrang dikit. So, kaya nga, wini-widwalk siya. So, dubling trabaho. I don't know. You can see to reach that. I can't.
No.
Why?
Because his mother's in trouble. Well, I'll never do that.
And where is my phone that I can open this garage? Ay, nako. Thankfully, Tommy cut the grass. Thank you, love.
Yeah.
You're my baby. I love you.
Love you too. You didn't lock the side door shut either, did you?
No. Do you have a thing?
You got the key.
Huh?
Yeah, you left on the table on top of the trunk.
I will, sir. Hala, close that properly, huh? That you said you have a plan and then you don't want me to know.
You got a plan.
Okay.
Pick up something from Home Depot. I got this big plan in my head.
Okay, what's your plan?
I'll tell you.
No, but you have to tell me.
You'll see when I do it.
Han,
When I do it, you will see. Now it's got to be. It's not for you to know, just me.
Han, can you please tell me, Han? I'm serious, honey. Tell me.
No.
I'm dead serious.
Nope.
Is this a project?
It's not really much of a project.
So, I think what are you doing? You're gonna do the kind of small fences for the thing?
What?
For the air conditioning?
No.
So what is it really? Oh my god. Han, can you please, Han, I beg you. So we're...
Oh, fucking house, right?
Yes, Tommy.
Lock the side door. A little bunny rabbit hopping on.
I know, hopping. I said, oh my
He's in the
god.
front yard when I'm cutting the front, so.
You went to Harold's
So
side.
I stopped cutting where he is so I don't scare him.
Yeah.
So I'm cutting all weird because I don't want to go and scare him.
Yeah.
Then I'm doing the side and he's in the side. So I like cut the side, then I cut across and like this. So bizarre.
So, but
Trying to not do the job so you don't scare him.
yeah,
I mean,
but
he would leave
he
anyway.
was cute, honey. He's
Yeah,
big
he's
enough, right?
Yeah.
And I saw him while I was walking in the inside the fence. I said, "Hi, Bun, where you
Should've got some
going?"
vegetables right out for him.
He's looking at. You know what he's gonna do? I think that's the bunny that keep eating our front flower. So okay, guys, we're heading to Home Depot. Kasi Tommy is planning something and hindi niya ako pagsabihan kung ano. I don't know what his plan. He likes secret now. Can you please tell me?
Nope.
Fine. You will find out later then. So, andito na naman tayo guys sa Home Depot. Tingnan natin kung anong bibilhin. Oh, this is really nice, and look. Right? So, tignan natin kung anong bilhin ni Mr. Oh, this is nice too. Look. This is real. It's fake. Let's see. Tignan natin yung sekreto niyang sinasabi niya. Nakasundan natin, eh. Kasi nagtataka talaga ako kung ano tong hinahanap niya. Oh, I have few of that. I used it already. What? Are you do gardening? Are you do gardening? So what are you? Yeah, that's for gardening. Ano na naman plano nito, Sir Tame? What's your plan, Sir Tame? Dito na naman kami sa mga kahoy-kahoy. Iwan ko kung ano yung kukunin ni... Honestly, honey? Wood. What are you doing in wood section? Are you building something? Huh? You're going to? Oh my God. What?
Medicine cabinet.
Huh?
Cabinet. Put on medicine cabinet.
Where are you gonna put it?
In the laundry room.
Nako, talagang buhay na ito. So, cabinet with no mirror. Sure there is a cabinet here. This time. So, hanap siya ng cabinet. Para daw sa ano. Iwan ko na lang ito eh. He doesn't tell me. He just do it. Ito, oh, mga ganito ba? Maybe this one. It's a nice color. It's a cabinet. 15 inches.
Pretty deep.
Huh? Oh, you need shallow? This one.
Bigger and less deep.
List deep. Perfect. That's the size. Above the washing machine. Ito lang yung binili niya. Check the trunk, hon. Huh? Oh my God. Is it really? Oh my God, you're something. Para sa grill ba? So yan, kailangan lang nilang... Kasi wala na kasi yung ano namin. Empty na yung dalawa doon. Mahal na ngayon yung ano guys, propane pala. Sobrang mahal na. Na guys, naglagay na si Tami na gas. So it's all... Puno na ito oh. And then yun na lang din yung isa. And then it's $41 already. Ha?
It's to be almost 75.
Yun, it's $50 already. Holy moly. That's good, Han. That's good. Please. Yun guys, oh, $77.14. Ang mahal. Ha?
Lawnmower.
Yeah, para lang sa lawnmower, hindi yan sasakyan. Mahal. Oh, matagal-tagal din akong hindi nakakain ng pineapple. At saka masarap talaga siya pag may asin. Itong mga binibili ni Tami na gulay, lutuin natin para naman hindi siya masira. Dahil wala na tayong gawain sa labas ng bahay, magluto na tayo ng gulay. Ngayon, na-curious ako kung ano yung sekreto ni Mister. Hey, where you going?
Here.
Why? Wala. So, let's see kung ano yung plano ni Sir Tami, be. Kung ano yung plano ni Sir Tami. Hoy, nako talaga. Nagbago na naman. Be careful. Ano ba itong ginagawa nito? Ay, nako. Naluka na ako nito. Ha?
Ground spike for that.
You need the hammer, the soft hammer, right?
No, no.
Go get that. That is right there. Roxy, what the heck is wrong with you? Come on, that is right here. Come on. Kala ko kung ano na yung gusto niyang gawin. Natakot tuloy ako. Pero ito pala, tinatransfer lang niya sa ilalim ng kahoy. Kakaiba din itong utak nito. Solar light po ito guys. So paggabi may light din itong ilalim ng kahoy. Makikita niyo ito na. Maganda naman siyang tingnan. Kaso lang nasa likuran ng bahay. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Akala ko kung ano yun yung sikreto ni Mister. Salamat sa panunood. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Alis tayo, punta tayong labas. Sa labas lang naman, kailangan ko lang ayusin yung mga halaman ko kasi kinakain na talaga sila guys. Gumawa ako ng homemade solution. Solution ba yan? Tubig, sabon at saka oil. Yung oil na yan is essential oil guys. So inispray ko siya sa tomato, sa eggplant kasi po ang daming kumakain na mga beetles ba yun, yung tawag nun. So ayaw ko naman yung sila na lang yung kumakain ng mga halaman natin, gulayan. Pati yung string beans ko guys, tumutubo na sila. Ang ibon kumakain din yan. Yung mga beetles din, kinakain din yung dahon. This year talaga guys, parang kinakain halos lahat ng mga pananim ko. So fingers crossed na meron tayong ma-harvest ngayong summer. So puntahan natin, tignan natin yung eggplant. Puro talungan dito guys. Hopefully po masaya po ito. Hindi ko alam kung magbunga ba, pero yun, tignan lang natin. Pero ito talagang gulay na ito, mas maano siya, attract siya sa beetles talaga. Yung dahon puro na siya butas-butas kasi kinakain yung dahon. Yun yung I think, yun yung talagang gustong-gusto nila, yung dahon ng talong. Kaya nilagyan ko dito talong lahat guys, itong garden dito kasi po last year wala po ako masyadong talong, konti lang. At saka parang nagbunga naman siya, bunga ng bunga naman. So masaya naman ako.